So I'll get the car jacked up and we'll throw this sucker on. Okay, so I decided to go with stainless steel hardware and then just drill out these holes just a little bit more so then those guys will fit through there. Got some washers, some stainless steel nuts. This one came with just a bag of just regular screws, which I don't like. So I'm gonna pre-drill all these like that one. Easy as that. And done. So we've been working on the fitment. I've got 3 vice grips, one on the corners and one in the middle. That's about what we've got. But that's where we're gonna start, is on the corners, so we'll push it in. I'll drill those holes up. We'll start on the corners, work our way towards the middle, but now we know we have it centered. Other than that, it fits pretty dang good. Not too shabby. Alright, let's drill some holes. Are there some safety glasses over there? There should be. Actually, put it where it needs to be. So be careful you don't drill out the front of your bumper. Well, we got one. What were they, 3/4 inch?
Yep.
I'm just gonna undo that now. Alright. Okay, so before you trust the pre-drilled holes of China, don't. What I've done is I moved that brace that comes down off the frame that meets the bumper down here, and that's where I've put my bolt. So that's what the corner's gonna look like. The freaking GoPro died. Anyway, I got it installed. Got the gap right there pretty good. It's actually extremely good. It's as good as it's gonna get. And this is what we ended up with on the side here. It's the same on both sides. Ended up using 12 bolts. Probably overkill, but it's not ever coming off unless the whole front of the car comes off. You can kind of see there. 3 there. They're all stainless steel too, so it's nice. And then 3 on this side. The ones on the end had to be just a little longer. The brace that comes down from the frame to the corner, I ended up taking off and running the longer bolt through that spot. Had to drill a little bit, but used a longer bolt. So yeah, 12 stainless steel. Put it on the ground and see what it looks like. But it's pretty low.
It looks really cool though.
2 5/8 off the ground. Not bad. I like the way it looks. For $40, pretty snazzy. I'd recommend it. Looks not too bad. I mean, it would be ideal to paint it, but I have a feeling this is going to meet pavement sooner than later because
if you're driving.
Yeah, for some reason when the wife drives, she doesn't hit anything in any of the cars. And then when I drive, I hit all sorts of shit. I don't really know why that is. I think the lip looks pretty freaking good. I like it a lot. Turn the lights on. Good Lord. Just go pull it down there.